Mātou. Ko mātou iti tai mai, e te ako ke tu te aka metaki anga ki a koe, e ke tamatara mātou i a mātou, no te mea, te ora nei mātou, na au oki i oronga mai te ora no mātou. I roto i te ingoa mana o ta atamai, si Yesu misia mātou, e puri atu nei, ki no koe ki te pai e mātou. Mi tēnei, e te atu ki te openga i toa mātou, tamatara te pō, e tuato uatu. Āmene.
Beautiful, Lady Masters, as always. So, tonight is the night that we crown our Miss Jewel. Welcome to everyone that's come tonight. We really appreciate your support. We appreciate you being here. I'd like to welcome to the stage now the President of the Te Tiari Association, Serena Van Dongen. I remember her at the Te Reo music and drama classes. She'd be there performing her little heart out. She's a woman about powerful words and about inclusion. And I hand it over to you, Lady President, to open us.
We are the ones we've been waiting for, a lineage of pride, respect, and transformation. Love knows no bounds, breaking barriers, creating space, and capturing hearts with its embrace of inclusion. So tonight, we wave our flag and sing our songs. Stand shoulder to shoulder, strong and united, remembering the past, and paving the way for our future, accepting everyone on this amazing planet. For we are not the aggressive ones, we just wish to bloom. Kia rana I te aroa rani nui o te atua. Te tātou uiereki, te kawanane I tō tātou inua, te kawamani, te riro e harataki I tō tātou pāserea, te evangeria, te riro I te turu, e te pāruru, ma te pure pakari ki te atua, no tō tātou I pukarea. Tonight is exceptionally special as we mark the 3rd anniversary of the Epitoma Anuanua. This week stands as an ongoing testament to our journey from struggle to strength. This historical milestone ensures that our community is recognized as equal in the eyes of the law, allowing our future generations to live in acceptance, safety, and dignity. To our panel of judges, convener, and scrutineers, thank you for your integrity and the difficult task ahead of you tonight. A massive metaki mata to our 4 stunning Miss Jewel contestants who have traveled from both Australia and across Rarotonga. Miss Aquamarine Ashanti Whippy, po karakaramai. Miss Diamond Moesha Tomokino, po karakaramai. Miss Emerald Ifan Ratumu, po karakaramai. And Miss Rose Quartz Naomi Dash, po karakaramai. Your courage in reclaiming this stage after 10 years inspires us all. As President of Te Tiari Association, Inc., our focus remains clear, upholding the full tenets of our foundational values, love, acceptance, and respect, championing the fundamental human rights of local LGBTQI individuals, irrespective of their sexual orientation or gender identity, leading comprehensive health awareness, prevention, and advocacy for improved well-being. To our invited guests, sponsors, and helpers, your support is the backbone of this event. Leading Department, Ms. Lisa Satraka, Meitaki Maata for your guidance and dedication to our contestants. Our magnificent friend, Tony Numa, Meitaki Atupaka for dedicating your time to help flourish today. To our Tahitian family from Raiatea, who's at the Mitiara Hostel, feeding the people that's been helping them here on their journey, we want to also express our maururu to them for granting us your presence for tonight at the end of our event as a special guest artist. Lastly, I want to share a special word of thanks to Pride Cook Islands and the Anuanua o Aitutaki. Your partnership bridges our islands, ensuring that the message of inclusion reaches Rarotonga, Aitutaki, and the shores of our Pāinua. Thank you for your courage in creating safe space and for reminding us all that our culture is at its strongest when it embraces every one of its people. Coming together is a beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success. Tonight, we celebrate not just beauty, but the strength of a nation that chooses to leave no one behind. Ko au, ko koe, ko tātou, we are one. Hope you all enjoy tonight, and it's my greatest honor to introduce our patroness, Lady Tatryanna Masters, to declare the event open.
Thank you, President. Poro ta'au e tutuaro, ariki poro mato, mātaura mato te akarongo i ako e ta'au poro e tutuane. But, ki tika i ako e ki a orongo mai, ko ki te o, karanga mai koe ki ako e erua o ki mua nei, aka tu ere tātou tamataore te po. Please, aka tika mai koe i ako ki orongo ato te tai manga roa, ki te tai au aronga tāku i inongoro ki aroa, koe tue o e kone, te openga kari rato oke oko me te chance no. First of all, I would like to thank all the mums, all the rainbow mums, the tēme te po, wherever you may be. I will continue thanking you for standing and holding and hugging all our children. Hey, we're not going to throw them under the bus, surely not. Nō reira, mitaki maata, you're there with us all the way, and tonight is another of those nights we're here to watch and support them. The merumo, te rua, ko yoki ki o koto e te o sponsors. Ko koto, you know, you are the people that made tonight happen. On that note, I'm very happy to declare tonight this awesome night. Our jewels at the back, they can't wait. Papo te riri mai rato i aku e tutone. Open, kia ora ana tātou katoto.
How beautiful. I remember in the 2016 Miss Jewel, Lady Masters opened it, and I was so compelled by the speech that she made. It had an impact on me, and it had an impact on all of us that came to that event, because it was about inclusion, diversity, and care of one another, no matter who or what we are. So again, another huge round of applause for our President and for Lady Masters, the patron. It's time to acknowledge our dignitaries that are here. We also have the Leader of the Opposition, Tina Brown, with us. And we have the Minister of Culture, George Maggie. I can't see him at the moment, but he's here as well. Thank you for joining us this evening. It means everything to be able to have you in the house. And now it's time to introduce our judges. Now you'll see them sitting in those individual tables down there. They're the ones that are going to decide who becomes our Miss Jewel tonight. First up, Gloria Haronga, a proud descendant of Te Wharenui o Te Manutai and Rakai Paikai people of Aotearoa. Glory is a passionate advocate for service, beauty, healing and community. From a young age, she's been deeply connected to uplifting others, particularly from the Pacifica and Rainbow communities. Glory is a businesswoman and community leader known for creating safe and empowering spaces, including her LGBTQIA+ beauty and wellness ventures. Love that. I might have to come and see you, thank you. Her journey has seen her advocate on national platforms in Aotearoa, from Wellington Pride to healthcare campaigns supporting trans rights and accessibility. As a proud whakawahine, Glory has used her voice to champion visibility, inclusion and well-being for gender diverse communities, working alongside organisations that provide essential care and support and guidance. Most recently, She was crowned Ms. Aotearoa Whakawahine 2025. I think you need to stand up and have a spin for us, sweetheart. Yes, thank you. Aha, bring it. Where she continues to not only represent her Māori heritage, but also the wider Pacific region community, our rainbow community, with pride and strength. Her message is simple, yet powerful. We are them and they are us. A reminder that together we are stronger. Tonight we are honoured to have her join us here in Kukiarani as part of the Anuanua Week. Please give a warm island welcome to Glory. Our next judge will be familiar to a lot of us. Born and raised on the beautiful island of Aitutaki Araora Inua, known as heaven on earth, eh girl? Yeah. Please welcome the incredible Oirangi Bishop. A proud mother, cultural leader and former dance champion, Oirangi has dedicated her life to uplifting young Cook Islanders through dance, mentorship and cultural excellence. Absolutely she has. She was crowned Maini Porutu in 2009 and went on to represent the Cook Islands internationally, earning Best Talent and 4th runner-up at Miss South Pacific. Boom. She's been a long-standing leader and choreographer for Aitutaki Inua Te Maivanui team and a proud ambassador for the Cook Islands on the global stage. A highly respected judge across multiple competitions. She's also a multi-year National Dancer of the Year champion, oh yes, holding titles in 2022, 24 and 25. Her passion, leadership and commitment to culture continue to inspire generations across our islands. Please give a warm island welcome to the beautiful Oirangi Bishop. Our next judge. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce Maleulu Sautawhile. Thank you. Yeah, sorry. My Samoan pronunciation's not that great, darling. An Associate Professor and Associate Dean Pacific at the University of Otago, Wellington Medical School. Brainy, very smart, very clever, that one. But wait, just listen to this. With proud Samoan heritage from Samoa and Auckland, he holds a PhD from the University of Washington and a master's degree from Seoul National University and is a respected academic researcher and advocate. Can we just have a round of applause for that? He is the founder and principal investigator of the Manarangi project and heads the Manarangi survey, which in the Cook Islands is working in partnership with local organisations to support the well-being of our Anuanua communities through research and advocacy. Maleulu is also a well-known social commentator, writer, editor in the Pacific and LGBTQI+ studies, as well as a film producer and television producer. Man, have you got any time? He fills it up. With strong ties to the pageant world, he has served as a chaperone, community member, and MC for the Miss Samoa New Zealand. You can come up and join me if you want. Do you want to do that? And was part of the historic win in Samoa in 2007. Please join me in warmly welcoming the accomplished and inspiring Maleulu Sautawhile. Love that. Our next judge, ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to introduce our next judge, representing the power and legacy of House of Dynasty Cook Islands. In 2016, a call went out for sisters in our community to rise, stand proud, and represent. And she answered the call by stepping forward and creating a dynamic persona built on justice, equality, visibility, unity, and respect. She made her debut in the Miss Jewel's Cook Island pageant, where she was awarded the title of Miss Emerald, and earned first runner-up in 2016. Come on, round of applause, I love that. Tonight, she returns in a new light as a judge for this year's prestigious event, continuing to inspire with the messages she lives by every day, to live and enjoy life to its fullest. Big ups for that. Please join me in warmly welcoming the one and only House of Dynasty. Woo! And now it is my pleasure to introduce our next judge, Rahui Tautapi Sampson. Proudly of Manahiki, Rakahanga, Puka Puka and Samoan heritage. Atawai Walubo. Raised in the richness of Cook Islands culture, Rahui's journey began at just 8 years old, sparking a lifelong passion for performance and creativity. In 2006, he made history as the first Cook Islander living overseas to win Te Mirikapa Junior. Bring it on, 8 years old, knocking it out of the park, love it. Later expanding his talents to costume design and music as part of the award-winning Sampson Squad. Can I have a big round of applause, because I am a huge fan of Sampson Squad. They are amazing. Today, he is a respected mentor and cultural leader guiding the next generation through Hupa Hupa, his program Hupa Hupa, with tautapi teaching across New Zealand and preserving the northern group styles of Kukiarani dance. With a global audience of over 500,000, Rahui continues to share and celebrate our culture on the world stage. A recent Rakai Manawa 2005 champion as well, and head tutor and designer for Miss Cook Islands 2026, his work reflects a deep commitment to culture, excellence and legacy. Please join me in welcoming the amazing, the talented and inspiring Rahui Tautapi Sampson. So as you can see, we've got a pretty good lineup of judges right there, don't you think? Can we just have another big woohoo for them? And I want to bring down the, yeah, louder, louder, louder. So are we ready? Are we ready? It's about time we had a bit of a show, don't you think? Yeah, I reckon too. So, with our judges ready to shine and our audience already shining, let's get the show on the road. Well, kara mai, everybody. Big round of applause. We're kicking it off.
Long before we were given names, we were written in the stars and whispered by the tides. I hear you, my sisters. I call to the earth. I call to the water. I call to the fire. I call to the air. The time has come. Jewels, reveal yourself.
You got this, ladies.
Come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer. Come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer. Come on,
Tōku ingoa ko Moesha. Hello and greetings. My name is Moesha, 34 years young, hailing from the beautiful village of Rutaki. Residing in Perth, Western Australia, I am Miss Simon 2026. Vai nene no te painoa, te pati, te paoro, te tuta ki takivana. Yoranta to katoa, e po Maria. Proteia, ko maine, Miss Rose Pot. Yorana. Te karanga nei, tera reo imene. No atu toku reo papaa, toku wivi, toku kiko, toku toto. E mea mauri e. Kia orana, kia ola, nisam bula vinaka, and assalamu alaikum. Toku ingoa, ko Ifran Ratumu. E vaine toa au, o pu aikura. Warm Pacific greetings to everyone here tonight. I am grateful to be given the opportunity to be a part of this journey. And I am honored to be your Miss Emerald 2026. Kia orana, Yamanuia. Of age, and I'm from the beautiful islands of Fiji. I am your Miss Aquamarine 2026. Hey Taki. My name is Tatryanna Utanga. Like a phoenix rising from the fall of these stairs, I am your reigning Miss Jewel. Noroto mai au yakwe e tsumate barbaro. Noroto katua mai au yakwe e lukuroa. Turo, ariamai, and welcome to tonight's Showcase Extravaganza. I am your Miss Reigning Jewel 2016 to 2026. Kia orana, Yamanuia, Turo, aye, koko. How was that opening for you? Stunning. Absolutely stunning. And a bit of Gloria Estefan to just finish us off there. I love it. Woohoo. Now we've kicked off Marco and I for that opening. That is truly, it's going to be a night of celebration. And of course, it's a very big evening for Tatryanna because it's, you know, she's the reigning Miss Jewel, and so she's moving into passing that crown on. So a big job for our judges. Absolutely. As we move into the next sort of phase of things, I do want to acknowledge the sponsors. It's always important to acknowledge these people. The fact that the Ministry of Culture has given us the auditorium, big round of applause to them. The support from the United Nations Development Programme, and they've given Te Atiari Association funding. I would like everybody to give them a rousing, supportive clap. Nautilus Resort, for the beautiful support with regards to venue for the interviews and a venue for the teams to do all sorts of things. Well done, Nautilus, love your work. Vodafone, as a sponsor, you would have seen the Miss Internet stuff, and I hope you've been voting, because that's important. Vodafone have supported. Thank you, Vodafone. Hey, come on, give me better claps than that. Come on, come on, come on. Cook Islands Printing, thank you for the print stuff that you've given us and the beautiful fans that the girls have got. Cook Islands Printing. Now, you would have seen those gorgeous parties that the girls were wearing. They're called Parties and TAV. TAV and Coral have sponsored outfits for this evening. So big round of applause to those companies for being on board. Love your work. Rarotonga Rentals, Island Car and Bike Hire, they're amazing. Chrissy and her team always support the arts. Big round of applause for them. So, I need to call that wonderful Serena back up on stage. Where is she? Is she here? She's not. Where has she disappeared to, the rat bag? Because there's a couple of important things that I need all of you to understand. There are particular hand movements which I have decided we need to practice. Everybody, hand up. This. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? This is called, I think it's called clocking. Is it? Tell me, what is it called? It is. It is. And this is an absolute sign of appreciation. So if you see something that you think is amazing, you can clap and yell, but I'd love a bit of this. And then there is also, you use it with the middle finger as well. Oh, here she is, the woman who knows. Oh, she's brought some young warriors onto the stage too. I love this. This is an unscripted part of the show. So, okay. All right. Okay. Yep. Yeah. Okay. What are we up to, darling? Yes, we're doing the clocking. Oh, she's brought some lovely talent for us to understand how to do this. Come forward. Beautiful. Okay.
Okay, so we're going to do a clock it number. The clock it is this. Okay, this is known as the Queen's Wave, or say appreciation to somebody. Okay, we're going to practice clock it. And you guys do it.
Show me. Yeah, yeah. Oh, he's doing that. I don't think that's right. That's not right. It's this. That's not right. Okay. And then, yeah. Got it? Apparently, history tells us, this one told me, that's how the Queen of England used to wave. I mean, be happy about stuff. Okay. And now, the other thing is, at any given time, I may ask you to do a dual wave. It's an invention that we've come up with. And on the count of 3, I want everybody to stand up if you are able in your seat, and it's a pose. So our lovely models here are going to strike a pose, okay? Strike a pose. Oh, you're looking at me like you don't. Oh, see? Look at this one, already there. And again, out that way. Show them, not me. What about you? Strike a pose. Oh. Yeah. Strike a pose. This one will be amazing. Slightly faint. Okay, strike a pose. Any pose. Oh! Winner. Come on, you got to outdo that. You got to outdo it. 1, 2. Oh, oui, Tahitian. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah, yeah. Bring it, bring it. I love it. So, at any given time, we may put the house lights up, and I'm expecting full engagement. It's called a jewel pose, okay? So at any given time, you may be asked to do a jewel pose. Just refresh everybody how to do it again on the count of 3. Ta irua toru. Oh no, look. Hey, what? What am I doing? Okay. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Brilliant. Round of applause for our beautiful team. How are we going? Are we getting close to them being ready? I need to know. You ready? One's ready. Oh, my pieces of paper have flown off. Look, my pieces of paper got all flustered with the action and they flew off the table. Thank you so much. Oh, they're staying on stage. Again, an unscripted moment. But I'm loving it. All right, so we have managed to, where am I? Our first section is about to hit the stage. It's sponsored by TAV. Yeah. TAV's been leading the way in fashion for decades. We should all be really proud of the achievements of the TAV team, because TAV is an amazing fashion house across Moana-Nui-a-Kiwa. For decades. And now they're sponsoring Miss Jewel 2026 with prints that show a kairo and nukiteri of our past, present and future. Please give a warm round of applause for karakara mai for our first contestant, Miss Diamond Moesha.
All my ladies, wind to the left, sway to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction, follow my simple instruction. Wind to the left, sway to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction, follow my simple instruction. You see me, I do what I gotta do. Oh yeah. On the gas, there's no need to queue. Oh yeah. Me and my crew, we got the juice. Oh yeah. So come here, let me meet you. Well, some say I'm bossy cause I am the boss. Buy anything, I don't care what it costs. Stack like a casino, I'm Monte Cristiano. If you're the supreme, I'm Diana Ross. All my ladies, wind to the left, sway to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction, follow my simple instruction. Wind to the left, sway to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction, follow my simple instruction. Report to the dance floor when I say, oh yeah. Tell mom you'll be out too late. Oh yeah. Pull up your bumper, cock up your waist. Oh yeah. Grab somebody now face to face and say that you're bossy cause you are the boss. Buy anything, you don't care what it costs. Stack like a casino, I'm Monte Cristiano. If you're the supreme, then I'm Diana Ross. All my ladies, right to the left, straight to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction, follow my simple instruction. Right to the left, straight to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction, follow my simple instruction. Yo, send me up everything we want, put it on me. Did that not the realest talk, cause she don't play.
Come on.
Girl, love is supposed to go party. Bad girl, no for their thing, say no for their thing. Bad girl, mashing up the thing, party.
How beautiful!
Cause you are the boss. Let's roll it, stack like you said. No, if you're the supreme, then I'm Diana Ross. All my ladies, bitch, I don't need introduction, follow my simple instruction. Drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction, follow my simple instruction. Bitch, I don't need introduction. introduction. Wind to the left, sway to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Wind to the left, sway to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. You see me, I do what I gotta do. Oh yeah. I guess there's no need to kill. Oh yeah. Me and my crew, we got the juice. Oh yeah. So come here, let me mentor you. Well, some say I'm bossy cause I am the boss. Buy anything, I don't care what it costs. Stack like a casino, I'm Monte Cristiano. If you're the supreme, then I'm Diana Ross. All my ladies, right to the left, straight to the right. Drop it down low, and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Right to the left, straight to the right. Drop it down low, and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Report to the dance floor when I say, oh yeah. Tell mom you'll be out too late. Oh yeah. Pull up your bumper, cock up your waist. Oh yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for our beautiful Miss Coach.
Cause you are the boss. Buy anything, you don't care what it costs. You know I'm Monte Cristiano. If you're the supreme, then I'm Diana Ross. The ladies, right to the left, straight to the right.
And here she comes. And Rose. And Brad.
To the left, straight to the right. Drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction.
Yo, send me up everything we want, put it on me. The dad not the realest star, cause she don't play. It's them love all the way me do me thing. Y'all love it, but party. Y'all love it, so party. Bad gal, no for their thing, say no for their thing. Bad gal, mashing up the thing, mash up the thing, burning.
Say that you're boss because you are the boss. Buy anything, you don't care what it costs. Stack like a casino, I'm Monte Cristiano. If you're the supreme, then I'm Diana Ross. My ladies, bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Wind to the left, sway to the right. Drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Wind to the left, sway to the right. Drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss April.
I guess there's no need to kill. Woo! Yeah. Me and my crew, we got the juice. Oh yeah. So come here, let me mentor you. Well, say I'm busy cause I am the boss. I don't care what it costs. No, I'm not. And then I'm Diana Ross. All my ladies, right to the left, straight to the right. Drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Right to the left, straight to the right. Drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Report to the dance floor when I say, oh yeah. Tell mom you'll be out too late. Oh yeah. Pull up your bumper, cock up your waist. Oh yeah. Grab somebody now face to face. And say that you're bossy cause you are the boss. Buy anything, you don't care what it costs. Stack like a casino, I'm Monte Cristiano. If you're the supreme, then I'm Diana Ross. My ladies, right to the left, straight to the right. Drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Right to the left, straight to the right. Drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction.
Yo, send me up everything we want, put it on me. The dad not the realest star, cause she don't play. It's them love all the way me do me thing. Y'all love it, but party. Y'all love it, so party. Bad gal, no for their thing, say no for their thing. Bad gal, mashing up the thing, mash up the thing, burning.
Say that you're bossy cause you are the boss. Buy anything, you don't care what it costs. Stack like a casino, I'm Monte Cristiano. If you're the supreme, then I'm Diana Ross. My ladies,
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Aquamarine Ashanti.
follow my simple instruction. Drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need
Gotta find for our
simple instruction. Wind to the left, straight to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Wind to the left, sway to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. You see me, I do what I gotta do. Oh yeah. I guess there's no need to kill. Oh yeah. Me and my crew, we got the truth. Oh yeah. So come here, let me mentor you. Now, some say I'm bossy cause I am the boss. Buy anything, I don't care what it costs. Stack like a casino, I'm Monte Cristino. If you're the victim, then I'm Diana Ross. All my ladies, run to the left, straight to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Run to the left, straight to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Report to the dance floor when I say, oh yeah. Tell them you'll be up to date. Say that you're bossy cause you are the boss. Buy anything, you don't care what it costs. Stack like a casino, I'm Monte Cristino. If you're the victim, then I'm Diana Ross. All my ladies, run to the left, straight to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Look at them go, beautiful. Straight to the right, drop it down low. Come on everybody, better do it, better do it. Follow my simple instruction.
Yo, send me up everything we want, put it on me. Did that not the realest talk, cause she don't play. It's them logo, the way me do me thing. Y'all love it, back up on it. Y'all love it, stop up on it. Bad girl, no for their thing, no for their thing. Say no for their thing, bad girl, mashing up the thing, mash up the thing, burning.
Beautiful. Cause you are the boss. Buy anything, you don't care what it costs. Stack like a casino, I'm Monte Cristino. If you're the best, then I'm Diana Ross. My ladies,
Albert Simon, Mauricia, Albert Bush, Naomi, Albert Nimrod, and Brad, and Albert Katarina, Ashanti.
drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. To the left, to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Wind to the left, sway to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. See me, I do what I gotta do. Oh yeah. I guess there's no need to kill. Oh yeah. Me and my crew, we got the juice. Oh yeah. So come here, let me mentor you. Now, some say I'm bossy cause I am the boss. I don't care what it costs. Stack like a casino, I'm Monte Cristino. If you're the victim, then I'm Diana Ross. All my ladies, run to the left, straight to the right.
Oh, gotta go away, everybody.
Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my simple instruction. Run to the left, straight to the right, drop it down low and take it back.
And so, gotta away for our beautiful talent here.
Follow my simple instruction.
I think they always do it for the best. Oh, yeah.
Tell them you'll be out too late.
And pose. Love it. How wonderful was that? Did everybody enjoy the swimwear section? I love how Miss Tetiari Association can magic up warriors. Just think what else they can do, if given funding. Now, oh, that's a good spotlight, isn't it? We're now going to have a special moment. As we head into our talent section, which, you know, is about showcasing some of our best and most brilliant moves, Tetiari wanted to celebrate this by engaging and bringing to the stage a beautiful talent of one of our country's current dance champs. She's powerful, mighty, graceful, and a role model to all. Put your hands together and welcome to the stage, Leah Tayo. For Leah, how amazing is she? Oh my goodness, how brilliant. You know, like the thing is, we are surrounded by so many incredibly talented people in Kukiarani, and we are blessed with incredible performers and incredible people that do so much. We're heading into Te Maivanui in the middle of the year, and we've just experienced our young ones heading off to Polyfest. And they went over there, and the Te Reo College took them over, those students over to Polyfest for the first time, and I think it was something like 8 to 10 years at the last time that they went over there. So can we all be proud of ourselves for the talent that emerges out of Kukiarani? Put your hands together and give us a lovely, lovely big clap for that. Again, it really is the time to remember that we have such an opportunity tonight to talk about inclusion. The work of Te Tiare is so powerful in our community, and we have to remember that not everything is easy for everybody. Every day there are struggles for those of us, and we need to be supportive of one another. So in a world that's going a little bit at the moment, I'd just like you to turn to the person next door to you and just say some kind words. 1, 2, 3, go. I'm banking on the fact that some of you didn't say kind words. Thought as much. Well, you know, if I could just get anybody, oh no, I can't because we haven't got the lights up. I was going to get you to stand up and give me a pose, some of yous. We could even put the spotlight on somebody. I know my husband's in the audience, I could make him do it. He's like, I knew I shouldn't have come. As we move into our next section, sorry, my glasses are fogging up. It's our talent section. I was here last night and quite blown away by the talent. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to begin our talent section. Please get yourselves ready. I want to see some of this. I want to see some clapping. I want to see some yahooing, which actually you've all been pretty good at so far, so 10 out of 10. Welcome to the stage, Miss Diamond, Moesha.
My talent is a high-energy celebration of transformation, expression, and legacy. A megamix lip sync that honors the artistry of drag in all its forms. Through every lyric and beat, I channel power, precision, and presence, embodying not just the music, but the spirit of performance itself. This piece is more than entertainment. It is storytelling through movement, emotion, and unapologetic confidence. Blending ballroom vogue, hip-hop, and Cook Islands dance, my performance reflects the richness of the cultures and communities that have shaped me. Each style brings its own rhythm and history, coming together in a dynamic fusion that represents both individuality and unity. As I take the stage, I am not only showcasing talent, I am honoring the art of drag as a space of resilience, creativity, and limitless self-expression.
We gotta be extra when them cameras roll. Don't even waste your time trying to compete with me. No one else in this world can think like me. I'm twisted, I'm addicted. Keep him addicted. Lies on his lips, I think it. That's what you are. Lingerie reflecting off the mirror on the bar. Category, I'm the bar. Alien superstar. But the whole place, people in the house, like yakking and what? Outside, outside the swing. Nobody but the mess outside. Gotta leave outside. My song, yeah. My song, yeah. My song.
I always battle with having to defend myself. Talk this way, walk.
And while I know I still have a long road ahead, tonight I stand here proud, proud of my story, proud of my truth. So I leave you with this. Do not let the world define who you are. Have the courage to define yourself.
Ladies and gentlemen, Missy Mood, Ephraim.
I always battle with having to defend myself. Talk this way, walk this way. Don't do this, don't do that. You are a boy. They say the sticks my bones, but words will never hurt me. How about I direct these words at you? Poof, homo, tranny, dyke. Imagine hearing this every day. Stop. Life seems to put me in a closed space. It's dark, it's lonely, it hurts. Then I'm reminded I am strong and I am brave. I decide how colorful my life is and what my journey can be. My name is Ephraim Rarotonga, and I get to paint who I want to be.
Ladies and gentlemen, put it together for Irfan! Bravery and beauty stands proud on this stage tonight, that's for sure. What a privilege to hear these stories and those heartfelt words written by every single one of these incredible whainetoa. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our fourth contestant. Put your hands together for Miss Aquamarine Ashanti.
Kia ora, my name is Israel Whippy, and my contestant name is Ashanti. I am your Miss Aquamarine 2026. I bring with me the full Vanua, the land, and my ancestors, and the people that has been before me, and the people that are behind me, beside me, and above me. I am bringing my culture via the voices of those who are not heard. Everything is there for a purpose. Once you overcome it, I think that's the greatest reward, is when you overcome that, which is what I'm experiencing right now, being here in the Cook Islands. By overcoming the challenges is part of my characteristic, is always being optimistic. Looking past it, seeing it as a learning curve, and learning from it and waiting for the blessing and the reward that's in front of that. I believe people should look past the surface and look deeper. We shouldn't be judged by our sexuality, but by our character and who we are as a person. At the end of the day, we are a human being. We have a spirit. And people should look past our queerness and see the character that makes that person, the qualities that makes that person. But I must say, some of us queer people are here in the world trying to make a difference, trying to break barriers, and trying to make our name for ourselves, which is why we're trying to prove it to people that we are like any other normal person. I wish that people can see past the queerness and look at our spirit and our character. Like the questions before, it says that we've been ridiculed, we've been criticized. We had to prove them wrong, to show them what our talent, our beauty, and most important, our personality. Go for it, love one another, look after each other, and most importantly, like I said, create that sisterly bond.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ashanti.
Underneath the city lights, there is a life you know about, where rules don't apply, no, and you can't keep a good girl down. Good time, gonna make that shake, that money on the dime. Sugar daddy, she can work it just fine. On the table, she'll be dancing all night. Baby, now just come to life. On the girl, wanna fall in line. We said, got to keep it good show. More. Get it up, don't let you rest. Get it up, this is not a test. Get it up, gotta give me your best. So walk your ass up, show me how you do it. Get it up, don't let you rest. Get it up, this is not a test. Get it up, gotta give me your best. So walk your ass up, show me how you do it. A little bit of naughty, it's a little bit nice. She come home, got a glam, sweat, sugar, steak, spice. She be skirts, her, give a little work, put up on the table, she'll be dancing. Everybody just come to life. On the dirt, on the spotlight. All the boys wanna fall behind. We said, here come the ladies, got to give a little show. Here come the boys, again, show a little more.
Okay, girls, let's show them how it's done. It ain't over till we say, and we've only just begun.
Let me hear you say,
They call this place a concrete jungle. It doesn't care if you're lost. It doesn't care if you're tired. It just demands that you keep moving, even when the ground beneath you refuses to stay still. She started out looking for her footing, but in a world this loud, in a city this mad, the noise begins to seep in. It settles into the marrow. It touches the innocence she tried so hard to protect, tainting the edges of her spirit with the pressure of the pavement and the weight of expectations. There were nights when the hope was just a flicker, a dying ember in a gale. She navigated these streets alone, feeling the walls of the city closing in, feeling the wickedness of the world trying to dictate her shape, her pace, her worth. But look closely, because the pressure that was meant to crush her only forged her. The weight that was meant to bury her only gave her roots. Today, the madness is still there, but she is no longer a part of it. She has stopped fighting the stigma and started claiming it. She has stopped looking back at the ghost of who she was, because the woman standing here now, she is not just surviving, she is rising, and she is never looking back again.
The beautiful words of Miss Aquamarine Ashanti. What do you think about that talent section, folks? We're going to take a short break for 15 minutes, get up and stretch your legs, and then we go into the second half of our show. Thank you so much for being an amazing audience. Get out there. Go and have a cold drink or something, eh?
Your friend Teddy again?
Let's go!
back in, or else we'll just kick off. Have we got our judges in place? Can I have the judges do a little pose for all of us on the count of 3? Ta'i rua toro. I did kind of want them to stand up, but no, you stay seated, it's okay. All right, okay. What a shame my husband isn't back in the house, because I would have made him do it. That's why he's hiding. He's hiding, isn't he? He's hiding. I can see Ana Kortika, though, and Lisa Sararaka. They could quite easily stand up and give me a pose. Ta'i rua toro. No, that's not it. That's not it at all. Never mind, I tried. All right, let me just get a nod from behind. We're all good for go. Yep. How lovely. Look, the mood is set. Welcome back, everybody, to the Miss Jewel 2026. Put your hands together for yourselves. Put your hands together for our wonderful performers. And put your hands together for the Te Tiari Association and Committee for the work that they've done to be able to put this competition on. Boom them. How wonderful. So we're moving into the very exciting sections of our competition, the creative wear.
And what I want to say about this is we're a country full of incredibly talented and creative people. We're incredible artistic storytellers, and I want to make a huge plug right here and now. Support the arts. Fund the arts. Thank you. She's a woman who knows that the support of the Te Tiari Association is valuable. They supported my youth cookie creative performing arts group. Te Tiari Association support us. Big round of applause for their support of the arts. And everything is possible when we share our talents and work together. So we open up our next section, which is the creative wear section, that has the theme of HIV awareness and sexual health. It's really important to recognise the strong advocacy work the Te Tiari Association delivers on. And with that, I want to welcome Apa Te Mata to the stage. Sonia Apa Te Mata, or simply known as Apa, who was the former TTA Vice President from 2019 to October 23 and now current Secretary. She's a registered nurse, clinical tutor, an ear specialist, Reiki master, or actually Reiki mama, let's just say that, and sound energy practitioner. Her career spans over 30 years of working in HIV services, emergency trauma, sexual assault, medical forensics, and cardiology. She's one of the new Cookie founding members of Pacifica Pride from 2014 to 2020, established one of the largest collection of Rainbow Pacifica Pride and Takatapawe groups in Aotearoa, New Zealand, in which they have participated in Auckland Pride Parades and Sydney Mardi Gras in Australia. She's received many awards over the years in her capacity as a volunteer nurse, staunch activist for equal rights. Bring it on. She is Ngāti Te Purutu, Ngāti Katu, Tino Mana Ariki, Numangatini Ariki, Makia Nui, Puta Ariki, and Ngāti Arira. Welcome to the stage, Apa.
Kia orana tātou kātoto. E tō mātou iti tangata. I'm honoured to be here in this presence of our tupunas, our traditional leaders, our sponsors, our partners, our friends and our family. As we see the world grappling on the verge of World War III and other crises worldwide, our sister island Fiji is grappling with the world's fastest growing HIV epidemic. A worsening health crisis fueled by a surge in methamphetamine use, and violence. Once a relatively rare problem, HIV infections have skyrocketed, rising from 147 new cases in 2020 to 1,583 in 2024, and 2,003 new cases just last year in 2025. Last year, 59 babies were born with HIV compared to 31 in 2024. Tragically, at least one baby died of HIV each month in 2025. This is the reality. Te Tiare Association is showing our support by promoting health awareness at this year's Anuanua Pride celebrations. This initiative is part of the broader Anuanua Week, which celebrates the 2023 decriminalization of same-sex relations and significant changes to our Criminal Acts bill here in the Cook Islands, promoting a safe and inclusive environment. I have lost many friends and family to HIV/AIDS. I lost a sister to complications of HIV last year. She is the reason why I still advocate and fight for equality and equity in a system that continues to stigmatize and discriminate against those most vulnerable, regardless of status or gender. I am one of many cookie clinicians who continue to fight for access to treatment and management for HIV here in the Pacific. We have a duty of care to provide these fundamental services to our iti tangata and our Pacific neighbours. Let us all push to support a crisis that can be easily eradicated by accessibility, affordability, and equity to healthcare services. Kia orana e kia manuia.
Are we ready for our next section? Can't hear you, go again. Are we ready for our next section? Yes, the creative wear section. Welcome to the stage, Miss Diamond Moesha.
Awareness ribbon into a life-size statement of remembrance, resilience, and advocacy. The bold red ribbon silhouette symbolizes global solidarity with those living with HIV and honors the lives affected by the epidemic. The blood splatter effect, created with miniature ribbons and shimmering rhinestones, represents the many individuals and communities touched by HIV. Each small ribbon standing for a story, a life, and the ongoing fight for awareness and support. The contrast between the striking red and the sparkle of rhinestones captures both the gravity of the issue and the hope that shines through collective action. It reflects the idea that even in the face of stigma and loss, there is strength, visibility, and unity. By embodying the ribbon itself, I become a living symbol of awareness, encouraging conversation, education, compassion, and continued progress toward prevention, treatment, and ultimately a world without HIV.
beautiful? Absolutely stunning. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Miss Diamond, Moesha. The work that's gone into these creative outfits from these beautiful waiinetoa is something to behold. They really have worked incredibly hard on all of the sections that you're seeing tonight to be able to bring this show to you. So please, show your appreciation by putting your hands up in the air and giving me one of these. Yes, I love it. I've been told I've got to slow down slightly so our judges have time to mark. Our next contestant though, all of them, as they've done their talent, as they've paraded for you in their swimwear, and now with their creative, we know that they have just incredible bravery and strength to be out here on this stage. We've got a lovely tradition of this Miss Jewel competition, and I'd just like you all to put your hands together for all of the contestants over the years that have been in Miss Jewel. I'm now waiting for my little moment to be here. Oh, look, the torch is on. Everybody, give the round of applause for the torch to move me on. Love it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage, Miss Rose Courts, Naomi. Pokarakara mai.
Broken down and tired of living life on the merry-go-round. And you can't find a fighter, but I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out.
My creative way tonight is based on the theme HIV and STI awareness. My dear friends and families, this is a kind reminder that HIV and STI can affect anyone, and the best way to stay safe is to take simple prevention steps and get tested. To get this message out loud and clear, I have chosen to use the colors red and white. The colors red and white holds a deep and symbolic meaning rooted in support and awareness. Red chosen for its connection to blood, and love representing the urgency of AIDS crisis to end. White stands for the attacked white blood cells, our immune system, and the need for medical care. I chose to use the red ribbon as this is the awareness symbol of HIV. This is how we show we care and that we stand in solidarity for those living with HIV and for those who have passed on from it. Just know you are never alone. Let's work together to protect ourselves and our loved ones. Let's rise up.
That we have each other, and we will rise, we will rise, we'll rise, we'll rise. I'll rise up, rise like the day, I'll rise up.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Miss Rose Courts, Naomi. Love that song too. Kicking song. Again, the costumes that you saw just then, made by their teams, made by their own fine hands. Naomi is a young woman who's very into making her own clothes and her own costumes. So, you know, big round of applause for the industrious and incredible fashion industry that we have in the Cook Islands. The seamstresses, the people who make amazing costumes. We are incredibly talented in that area. Again, big round of applause for Naomi, our Miss Rose Quartz. Our next contestant is going to take the stage, and again, it's an honour and a privilege to introduce these brave and incredibly talented young ones. I can say that because I'm older than them. I also want to acknowledge the people who are making our lights and sound happen. Put your hands together for the tech teams, to Josh and the tech teams that are making those things work. And to our script reader, Nani, who's sitting behind this curtain. So, round of applause for our Nani, who's reading the script, please. Have I got a torch flashing at me yet, my darlings? I have. I've got a torch flashing at me. I love it. At least it's not somebody flashing at me. It's just a torch. Please put your hands together and welcome Miss Emerald Ephraim. Oh.
Walking in strength, I, Ms. Emerald, stand before you, wearing what many would throw away, garbage bags, discarded, overlooked, forgotten. But so were the voices of those living with HIV and AIDS. This dress is not just a fashion statement, it is a story, a struggle, a truth the world can no longer ignore. The red stone around my waist is not just a color, it is blood. The blood of those who fought battles in silence, who carried pain behind closed doors, who loved, lived, and lost. Each ribbon you see is a symbol, a reminder that HIV and AIDS are not just statistics. They are people. They are families. They are us. This hat I wear, aged and worn, represents the weight of stigma, the judgment, the whispers, the blame. A burden placed on shoulders that never deserved it. Yet, beneath it, flowers bloom. For every life lost, there is remembrance. For every soul taken, there is honor. They are not gone, they are carried with us. The black feathers you see, they speak of pain, of grief, of endings. But they also remind us of strength, because even in darkness, we rise. Today, I do not wear shame. I wear awareness. I wear courage. I wear every voice that was silenced and every story that must be told. We are not defined by this disease. We are defined by how we stand together against it. Break the stigma. Choose compassion. Spread knowledge. Show love. Because awareness is power, and power saves lives.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Ephraim, Miss Emerald.
Something that I left behind. When I leave this world, I'll leave no regrets. Leave something.
Again, Miss Emerald, Ephraim. That young one was talking to me the other day explaining how she wants a career in fashion and to have her own label and to be recognised internationally. I think by looking at that outfit and that costume, I think she's well on her way, don't you think? Absolutely amazing. And the story behind it, the script, I hope you're listening to what those words are, because our contestants have put lots of thought, heart, and expression into the words that they're sharing with you tonight. This means a lot to be able to get a message across to everyone about how they feel, what the world's like for them, but also their dreams and ambitions. So again, I'm incredibly proud of these beautiful waiinitoa that are standing in front of us today. Big round of applause to you as a wonderful audience for sharing that with them. And now we move on to our last contestant. Put your hands together for Miss Aquamarine Ashanti.
My headpiece, adorned with red flowers, stands for HIV awareness, a global symbol of love, support and solidarity with those living with the virus. The white flowers speak of hope for healing, for deeper understanding, and for a future where stigma no longer exists. The horns rise as a symbol of the strength of a community that refuses to stand divided, that chooses education over ignorance and compassion over judgment. Traditionally, a corset is designed to restrict, to confine, to control, but tonight it has been transformed. It is no longer a symbol of limitation. It is armor. Covered in the wrappers of protection, it represents power, awareness, and choice. These silver wrappers are not waste, they are life-saving symbols. They represent responsibility, protection, and the courage to take control of our health and to protect one another. Standing as a reminder that awareness is not passive, it is action. The hand-painted skirt I wear is a bold visual statement. The red ribbon reminds us that the fight is not over, that education, testing, and treatment must continue. The words of positivity challenge the stigma that still surrounds HIV and other sexually transmitted diseases. This piece is a commitment to changing the conversation, to replacing fear with knowledge, and to standing firmly in empathy, science, and human dignity. Each handprint represents someone who lived, who loved, and who mattered. Each one says, I was here, I existed, I made an impact. HIV may have taken lives, but they have never taken our humanity, our connection, or our ability to love. To those we have lost, these handprints are our way of holding you once more. They are our promise that you are not forgotten. Your strength continues to guide us. Your courage continues to inspire us. Your stories continue to matter. And so today, we make a promise, standing together without fear, without shame, and without judgment. Because no one should ever feel alone in their diagnosis. You are remembered, you are honored, you are loved, and you will always be a part of us.
Ashanti. Wow, that is so stunning, that outfit. I can't believe it. I just want to have a whole party where I invite them to just come and play dress-ups, because that was phenomenal. Put your hands together for the creative section of Miss Jewel 2026. I want to make sure that everybody's aware that there's some other events that are actually going on this week. It is Pride Week, Anuanua Week, and I've just got to open up my little booklet of information here. There's 3 other events this week. On Saturday the 11th, the HIV Awareness Dance Party Lip Sync Comp, gold coin donation at Margarita's, 7 p.m. If you're fabulous at singing to yourself in front of the mirror and thinking that you're famous, get down there, because you'll be absolutely loving every minute of it. There's also the 13th Giant CC Tamori Rainbow themed dance class, and I believe the Tamori girls are here. Are you? Yes, can you stand up so we can all see you? No, you, come on, stand up. You're flashing. There they are, there they are. Absolutely brilliant. Go down and join them. It's a $5 donation. Te tāporo kai, get down there. And Tuesday 14th, the day is very significant. It's the day that we passed the decriminalisation. Round of applause for that. Val Richmond was a key instigator in that, and that was a very big day for the Cook Islands. They're having the Anuanua closing luncheon at Tamarind House. So if you want some tickets, contact the Titiari Association or Tamarind House and book a place at that luncheon. That's something not to be missed. And there's also a storytellers event that's going to be at Mairanui Gardens this Sunday. So make sure you get down there, because it's about sharing stories. It's about opening up and being aware of what's actually around us and celebrating people's lives. So we move on, don't we, to our evening gown section. Now, you thought that was impressive. That was amazing. We're now heading into the evening gown round. You know, I look at some of these outfits and what people are wearing and the costumery that's involved in this, and it just blows my mind. World of Wearable Arts, nothing on what's happening here tonight. We've got talent busting out all over the show. So this is where we're going to do the Q&As as well. So I'm going to be asking some questions. So ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to welcome our first contestant to the stage in her evening gown, Miss Diamond Moesha.
Shimmering crystals that catch and refract the light from every angle. It embodies the raw, unyielding journey of a diamond, formed under pressure, shaped by time, and revealed through resilience. Each glimmer tells a story. Like a diamond forged deep within the earth, I too have endured heat, weight, and transformation. Every challenge, every barrier, every moment of doubt has been part of the process that brought me here tonight, refined, radiant, and unapologetically whole. This gown does not hide the journey. It illuminates it, honoring the beauty that emerges not in spite of hardship, but because of it. Its intricate design mirrors the many facets of identity, complex, layered, and brilliant. The way it hugs and flows speaks to both strength and softness, a balance that defines my existence as a proud queer person. This gown is also a tribute to the countless trans women and sisters who have walked before me, those who dared to shine, who carved paths out of resistance, and whose courage is woven into every thread I wear. Like a diamond, I am not defined by the pressure placed upon me, but by how I rise through it, cut, polished, and radiant. And tonight I shine, not just for myself, but for all of us.
Ladies and gentlemen, look at this dress. I feel like I'm standing next door to a 1940s film goddess. You look amazing.
Thank you so much.
Would you like to take a little question out of the bowl of question? Dip your hand in there, Sissy. Yeah. Which one?
No, thank you so much.
Oh, holy moly, I'm the one that's supposed to get this undone. Hold it a minute. Hold that.
Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. No, take your time. Take your time.
Okay, the question. As a jewel of the Cook Islands, who has had the greatest impact on you and your development, in other words, who's helped to make you the jewel that you are today, please tell us how and why.
Thank you for the question, Glenda.
My absolute pleasure.
Thank you so much. Who has helped me become the person that I am today? I think if everybody was listening, you would have heard towards the end of my script that I dedicated my evening gown to all the trans women who have helped me to be here where I am today. Where I come from in Australia, trans women are known as femme queens in the ballroom culture that I am a part of. Femme queens are the ones who are at the forefront of fighting for our rights, fighting for who we are, fighting for our place on where we belong. Trans women have helped shape the woman that I have become today. And on top of that, my mother who literally pushed me right out of her. She is the reason that I am here today. Without her, I would not be able to be here, back home in the motherland, standing here proud, as a proud Akavaine. Thank you so much.
Mauricia, amazing answer. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mauricia. Miss Diamond. Check out that dress. Another one. I'm just like, that was definitely a 1940s super goddess standing right next door to me then. Ladies and gentlemen, we're moving to contestant number 3. Please welcome to the stage, Miss Emerald Ephraim. Haven't taken all of them off. Great, because it's...
Share my
family and culture. Bathed in the deep contrast of black and crimson, I step forward in a gown that embodies both strength and story, a flowing silhouette that moves with quiet power and grace, adorned with striking red hibiscus. Each bloom whispers of passion, resilience, and the vibrant spirit of the islands. Soft tully drapes gently from the shoulders, like the breath of the ocean, while delicate paro shells trace the garment. Sacred echoes of the sea and the ancestors who guide me. I rise from the heart of Pu'aikura, where the reef meets the restless tide and the land holds stories older than memory. My waka is not just a place, it is a pulse, a rhythm of drums, of laughter, of voices carried on the wind. It is strength woven through community, pride carried in every step, and a legacy that refuses to fade. From its shores, I have learned who I am, grounded, unshaken, and deeply rooted in something far greater than myself. This gown is more than fabric. It is a living expression of identity. The black speaks to depth, resilience, and enduring strength. The red hibiscus blooms with life and love, a symbol of our people and our pride. The paro shells carry the voice of the ocean, timeless, grounding, and eternal. This chapter is about coming home to oneself, where identity and culture no longer stand apart, but stand boldly as one. It is here, in this moment, that we witness true becoming. Not a transformation into something new, but a powerful return to something that has always lived within.
Hello, beautiful. How are you feeling? You good? You good? She was mesmerized by me. Sorry, cracking myself up. Sorry about that. Efran, do you want to dip your fingers into the bowl of question? Oh, which one? One's $1 million. You won! All right, darling. If you were to be crowned Miss Jewel Cook Islands 2026, how would you use your title to represent Anuanua Cook Islands on an international platform around the Pacifica region?
Could you please repeat the question again?
I sure can. If you were to be crowned Miss Jewel Cook Islands 2026, how would you use your title to represent Anuanua Cook Islands on an international platform around the Pacifica region?
Thank you for the question.
Pleasure.
I believe that Anuanua Cook Islands holds a very huge role in the Cook Islands to represent the QR community and to represent that around the Pacific. I would use my platform and title to showcase how talented our Cook Islands people are, whether they be part of the community or not. Our people are very talented. and I would showcase that talent through my platform. I would showcase how creative our people are, how knowledgeable they are, the knowledge that they carry from our ancestors till today. And I would showcase that to the Pacific using my platform. Thank you. Kia orana e kia manuia.
Beautiful answer. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Miss Emerald Ephraim. Stunning, beautiful, gorgeous stuff. I just love it. Next up, we are going to move into Miss Aquamarine. But I've just wanted to say how incredible you are as an audience. I'm loving the fact that you're getting into it, that you're giving us energy back up on the stage. That's what it's all about. I'm still looking for my spotlight. Have I got it? I'm letting you into the little secrets of the show. Our next contestant is going to be Miss Aquamarine Ashanti. Put your hands together for the beauty and the wonder of Miss Aquamarine.
I'm trying to hold my breath, let it stay this way, can't let this moment end.
Miss Aquamarine, draped in aqua blue, gentle, luminous, almost untouched by the noise of the world, resembles the innocence of the vast blue South Pacific Ocean. It is the kind of blue that feels like breathing in clean air, calm, spacious, and full of possibility. She is wearing an aqua blue dress that sparkles like ocean sunlight poured on the surface. The aqua blue sequins give it that wave-like shimmer, moving and catching light as the she shifts. The way the sea changes with every breeze. The silhouette is designed with a fishtail shape, creating a graceful mermaid-inspired form. It tapers and flows downward, like a swimmer's tail. Her movement reads as both elegant and powerful, part dance, part drift through water. When you walk or turn, it looks like she is gliding, as if the ocean itself is carrying, completing the look. The gloves extend the sea life effect right up to your hands, helping her gestures look fluid and intentional, like currents moving through space. Together, the sequined ocean shimmer, the mermaid fish tail, the side fins, and the gloves transform your whole presence into something aquatic, beautiful, magical, and unmistakably inspired by the sea.
I remember having to play that song 1,000,000 times in the car for the kids. So I know the words. How are you feeling, Ashanti?
Oh, what a night.
I know.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm feeling tired, but getting there.
Yeah. Check this out. I love the honesty too. Dip your gorgeous blue fingers into that bowl. Let's have a look at your questione. Oh, I love this one. What makes you unique, and how do you show pride in who you are?
Thank you, Mama G, for that question.
My pleasure, baby.
Panel of judges and everyone that's present here tonight. What makes me unique? Well, everyone is unique in their own special way. Yes? What makes me unique is my optimism, you know? Whenever there is a downfall, I always know that for every downfall, there is always a bright and shining rainbow right after that storm. And plus, I'm a Sagittarius. Of course, I'm always optimistic. So yeah, I like to show my optimism every day through God's grace. Thank you very much.
Beautiful answer. Put your hands together for our gorgeous Ashanti, Miss Aquamarine. And now, can we call back all of our beautiful girls? Oh, no, we have one more. Sorry, I'm jumping the gun. Linda, stop it. And we've saved the best till last, haven't we? Please welcome to the stage our absolutely beautiful Miss Rose Quartz. You can tell I need a Coca-Cola or something, eh? Miss Rose Quartz, Naomi.
Good evening, everyone. Tonight, I stand in a gown of purple and pink, colors that speak of passion and grace, crafted as a bridge between our cherished traditions and a modern vision. Every stitch holds my joy in designing garments that tell my story. To be here in this creation, feeling beautiful and proud, means more than a moment on stage. It is a promise to myself to carry the love of my culture with me everywhere I go. One day, I will look back at this night and know I dared to create and to represent. I will have no regrets reflecting back on this moment. I was here.
absolutely stunning. This dress, this outfit, this train. Eurovision in pink. Beautiful. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great, thank you.
Yeah, I bet. Now dip those lovely pink fingers into the bowl and we'll get your question for you, honey. Oh, it's a biggie. Oh, it's a biggie. What would you say, Naomi, are the two most challenging issues that impacts the well-being of Anuanua in the Cook Islands? And how do you think a platform like Miss Jewel's can help us address these challenges? You want me to read it again? Go for it, sis.
Thank you. First is bullying. Bullying and mental health. For me, I would stand for youth. As being a bully, I would never ever forget, bullying and mental health. In saying that, being on this platform as Miss Jewel's Cook Islands, I will stand and be the voice for who those that cannot stand for themselves. Thank you.
Beautiful, because those are really important issues. I love what you just said there. Well done. Give us another twirl. Can we invite back to the stage all of our beautiful girls? Welcome back to the stage in their beautiful evening wear for one last time. Miss Diamond, Moesha. Miss Emerald, Efren. Miss Aquamarine, Ashanti. And Miss Rose Courts, Naomi. Stunning, absolutely beautiful. We're heading into our section where our judges are going to deliberate. So one last big round of applause and appreciation for these beautiful stars, the jewels of our show. And as we head off, we've got a little bit of a treat here for you. We're about to see something that, drop my torch. As we know, it's time for our judges to deliberate. And I really want to say a big thank you to Justina and the team who have been the adjudicators from the Ministry of Culture. They're over there and they're the ones that have been flashing the light at me. They've done a marvellous job. So please put your hands together for that team. Now, as our judges head off to be able to confer and put their scores together, we want to celebrate the fact that our cousins from Rarotonga are over here at the moment. And we've got a special treat for you. They've been the wonderful ones that have been up on the stage, giving it all for us, and those young fellas that have just been delightful to watch and have on our stage with us. We've put our kumiti bowls up the front, so if you've got some lovely coins and dollars, actually paper notes is what we're after, isn't it, Serena? Some paper notes to go into the kumiti bowl, thank you. And to celebrate our connections with our brothers and sisters from Rarotonga, please put your hands together. And are they setting up? So I'll just wait for a minute. Have you got it all sorted, my lovely tech team there? Please put your hands together for the home-made dance troupe, Po Karakara Mai, for our Tahitian beautiful whānau. Okay, we're getting everything set up. How are we going there? Maruru. And all the way from...
Kia ora ana ko tātou katoa toa, ia tātou e tia ki mai nei I te ia pupu ki a takai mai ki runga I te taua. E nangaro o au te aka meitaki I tō tātou au sponsors I riro e te ia pō, e ko te ia pō. I just want to acknowledge our sponsors while we wait for our team as they get ready to come on stage. We would like to say meitaki maata to our major sponsor for the venue. Let's say meitaki maata to Ministry of Cultural Development, tauranga wānanga, pōkarakara mai tātou. United Nations Development Program for the support from the United Nations. Funding is so vital for this event and being acknowledged and heard on the international level speaks volume. So let's give a hand of applause to United National Development Program, UNDP. Pōkarakara mai tātou. Giving venue support for spaces, for workshops and prejudging and prizes. Meitaki maata, Nautilus Resort, for your sponsorship. As a category sponsor for Miss Photogenic and Miss Internet Awards, have you seen the stunning images of our contestants on social media? And of course, you all shared and cast votes. We thank you for the vouchers and merchandise packs. Meitaki maata to Vodafone Cook Islands, pōkarakara mai tātou for Vodafone Cook Islands. Great support from local businesses like SIPS helps so very much. Meitaki maata for printing support and the hand held fast that our contestants have too good. Cook Islands Printing Services, pōkarakara mai tātou, thank you, thank you, thank you. We also would like to say thank you to Custom Pareo's Ko'u for coming on board as a costume sponsor for Miss Jewel, and also with TAV, our leading fashion house of the Cook Islands. Meitaki nui for being our swimwear category sponsor, supporting and leading the way always. Kia aka meitaki I a koutou, pōkarakara mai tātou. Pōkarakara mai tātou no te tauturu a Ko'u and TAVs. We also would like to say meitaki maata to Rarotonga Rentals and Island Car and Bike Hire. Pōkarakara mai for all these incredible supporters and sponsors for leading and being the jewels we are so grateful to have on our team. They are ready. Let's give a hand of applause for our guest artists.
That's us. Beautiful. Put your hands together for Ho Maire Dance Troupe all the way from Rarotonga. Our brothers and sisters. Merci beaucoup, c'est formidable et magnifique. Unreal. It's wonderful to have our brothers and sisters from Rarotonga over here with us. Me taki mata. Big round of applause for Karakara mai. Hey, we're at the judging stage. We've done it. We're here. It's time to make announcements. Just give me one moment. Are we ready for the judging? So yes, oh look, Serena's counting up the money. She's getting all the buckets of dosh. Good on you, darling. That's the one. I'd also like to really thank our scrutineers. Head scrutineer Tui Tapakatu, put your hands together for her, and the assistant Marlena Nicholas. Thank you to them for being scrutineers, keeping it all honest and sound, keeping everything sorted. At this point, as we bring out the sashes and the prizes and all that good stuff, it's about bringing our beautiful performers and our reigning Miss Jewel to the stage. So can you please put your hands together for our beautiful contestants, Miss Diamond, Moesha, Miss Rose Quartz, Naomi, Miss Emerald, Ephraim, and Miss Aquamarine, Ashanti. Give them another big round of applause, please. Here they come, ladies. Make your way out onto the stage. Or not. I'll just dance, shall I? No, you don't need to be subjected to any of that, people. My best move is the pogo. All right, here we go. As we see, we've got all the prizes and the crowns out here, so we're ready to go. I've got the wonderful judges thing. Yes, that's right. So, have we got... So, before we bring out our contestants, we bring out our current Miss Jewel. She's going to do her last walk for all of you. And I want you to show your great appreciation for our reigning Miss Jewel, Tatryanna. Put your hands together for the beautiful Tatryanna.
kinda boring. Need something that I can confess. Till on my sleeves I stained red from all the truth that I've said. Come by it honestly, I swear. Thought you saw me wink, no, I've been on the brink. So tell me what you want to hear. Something that'll light those ears. Something about the insincere. I'm gonna give all my secrets away. This time, don't need another perfect lie. Critics said I don't lie. I'm gonna give all my secrets away. My God, amazing how we got this far. It's like we're chasing all those stars. We drive a shiny big black cars. And every day I see the news, all the problems that we could solve. And when a situation rises, just write it into an album, sing it straight to gold. But I don't really like my flow, no, so tell me what you want to hear. Something that'll light those ears. Sick about the insincere. I'm gonna give all my secrets away. This time, don't need another perfect lie. Critics said I don't I'm gonna give all my secrets away. Got no reason, got no shame, got no family I can blame. Just don't let me disappear. I'ma take it everything. So tell me what you want. Something that'll light those ears. Sick about the insincere. I'm gonna give all my secrets away. This time, don't need another perfect lie. Critics said I don't lie. I'm gonna give all my secrets. Tell me what you want from me. Something that'll light those ears. Sick about the insincere. I'm gonna give all my secrets away. This time, don't need another perfect lie. Critics said I don't lie. I'm gonna give all my secrets away. Truly beautiful. Let's invite our girls out onto the stage to stand with our current reigning Miss Jewel Tatryanna. Come onto the stage. Miss Diamond, Moesha. Miss Rose Quartz, Naomi. Miss Emerald, Ephraim. Miss Aquamarine, Ashanti. Big round of applause, everybody. Give it up. And we welcome back our beautiful team from home. Now this is the moment that we've all been waiting for. It's the prizes, the awards ceremony. I'd like to invite some of our wonderful sponsors onto the stage. Can I please have Pare from Vodafone? Round of applause for our representative from Vodafone. Where are you, darling? Come join me up here. Pare is going to be giving the awards for Miss Internet. Now you would have all been voting your little hearts out on the internet, and for Miss Photogenic. And I've seen some stunning photos up on the socials of these girls. Come, darling, come, Pare. It's your beautiful privilege to read out Miss Internet. Here we go. Miss Internet goes to Naomi Dash. Miss Rose Quartz is our internet sensation. And how fitting in that beautiful dress of hers. Congratulations. Miss Rose Quartz, Naomi.
We move on to our next, no, you're doing another one, sissy. Our next wonderful category, which is Miss Photogenic. Drum roll, please. Drum roll. I didn't say it in French. How do I say it in French? Thank you. Miss Photogenic goes to Miss Diamond Marisha. Darling, thank you, Putty. Can I call Lady Masters, Lady Tatryanna Masters, up to the stage, please? I would like to make the announcement. I'm given one that I'm allowed to announce. The Miss Congeniality Award is one that's voted on by the girls as to who is the one that represents friendship, the one that represents care, the one that represents love. Beautiful as this is, and I love this, it goes to every single one of them because everyone voted for someone different in there. So put it up for all of these beauties. They are all Miss Congenialities. Our Lady Tatryanna Masters is going to present the award for Miss Reo. And that goes to, sorry? We're going to give a Miss Congeniality to everyone. You're going to have to share it along the line. There we go, Miss Congeniality. Wouldn't have been how I'd done it, but never mind. For Tatryanna Masters and the ingenious way she approached that. Love it. And now the award for Miss Bell. Yeah, you take that one, sister girl. I love it. Our Miss Bell award goes to Miss Emerald Ephraim. Thank you, darling. I'd like to invite up to the stage Sarah Moon from Nautilus. Where are you, darling? Come join us. Big round of applause for Sarah. She's got some fans out there. Go, Sarah, I heard. Nautilus have been a great support for this competition. Oh, look, she's even running. I like that. Sprinting around the fringes. Here she comes. Don't crack a sweat, darling. You're under hot lights. Here we go, Sarah. Nice one. Come join me up here. We're now in the judged category of our competition. Miss Interview goes to Miss Diamond Marisha. have just leapfrogged one of them. She did a good job. Can I invite to the stage, please, our Vainitoa, Gina Tavioni. Where are you, darling? Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to present it then. Shall I do that one? Oh, Lady Masters is going to do another one. I love it. Miss Swimwear is our next category. Miss Swimwear goes to Miss Emerald Ephraim. Fantastic. Our next section is Miss Talent. Can we ask Lisa Sararaka to come up and join us to present this award? Lisa was the deportment coach, so give her a round of applause for helping our girls. Love that. Giving back. Our Miss Talent category. Here she comes. Look at that deportment. Look at it. Amazing deportment right there. And even up the stairs. Now that's how you do it, folks. That's how you do it. This category is Miss Talent, and it goes to Miss Emerald Ephraim. Beautiful deportment. Love it, Lisa. Our next category is Miss Creative Wear. And our presenter is our own president of the Te Tiari Association, Serena. And it's presented for, you're being a representative from the UNDP this time, aren't you? Multitasking this fabulous whaine. All right, Miss Creative Wear goes to Miss Emerald Ephraim. Evening gown is going to be presented to us by the beautiful Chrissy Tatum. So Chrissy, come and join me. Where are you, darling? Here she comes. Chrissy Lewis, on her way. Look at her, she's a speedy one. She's a sporty spice, this one. Isn't she? Here she comes. Our Miss Evening Gown. She's got great deportment as well. She must hang out with Lisa. Miss Evening Gown goes to Miss Diamond Moesha.
this moment now that I invite back onto the stage the Vice President and the President. Actually, the President, because the Vice President's been out the back doing all the stage management and making sure the show's coming together. So please put your hands together for the President and Vice President of the Te Etiquette Association. Our beautiful Serena and Talia. They will do the crownings. Woohoo!
Kia ora, everyone. I just want to take a moment to give a big shout out to Glenda for being our MC tonight. Hasn't she been amazing? Okay. I'm extremely proud to stand here before you as the Vice President of Te Etiquette Association. Tonight is not just about a pageant. Tonight is about all of us, our people, our community, and the voices that deserve to be heard. For me, tonight is about awareness. We have witnessed some truly powerful messages shared on this stage, and it takes courage for these young women to stand here and speak their truth. I hope each and every one of you has not only watched tonight, but truly listened. Te Etiquette Association is something very special to all of us. We are proud to stand at the forefront of our community, creating space for expression, empowerment, and connection. Having you all here tonight, supporting our contestants, supporting our kaupapa, and supporting our association is an absolute honor. So from the bottom of our hearts to the tips of our heels, me take ma'ata, and thank you all. Now, it is my great honor to present the final awards for this evening. Our third runner-up for Miss Jewel's Cook Islands 2026, who will also take home the title of Miss Poreo, is Miss Rose Courts, Naomi Dash. Second runner-up for Miss Jewel's Cook Islands 2026, who also take home the title of Miss Rito, is Miss Aquamarine Ashanti. Can I please have our final two contestants to the center of the stage, please? Ladies and gentlemen, it is my absolute honor to announce Miss Jewel Cook Islands 2026 is Miss Emerald Akron. Congratulations, Ifan. Congratulations, all of our jewels. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us tonight at Miss Jewel's Cook Island 2026.
We have a new Miss Jewel, FM, Miss Emerald. Congratulations to all of the girls. And we want to also acknowledge our first runner-up, Moesha. Well done to all our girls. They have been incredible throughout this journey of Miss Jewel. Tonight, we want to celebrate diversity, beauty, braveness, culture and inclusivity. Put your hands together one more time for these incredible Vainetoa, our Miss Jewels 2026. Please take your walk, Efren, as our new Miss Jewel. Oh no. Play a track there, DJ. I could always sing if you want me to. Contributed and what you've done tonight. Congratulations to every single one of you. You shine like the jewels that you are. I'd like to give a huge round of applause to the Tetiari Association, to Nani, our script person who read them beautifully, the tech team, all of the sponsors, the stage crew, our scrutineers, and I'd like to hand over to Lady Tuaine to close us with a puri.
Metaki maata. Tonight is all about beauty. Look at it. One beauty, another beauty replaces. No rea, thank you maata ke tato poro no ti te me te po. Please, e reo ako metaki ako o tāko ka inoro te oro ngātu moa ke ka pureo no tato. Te me mua, thank you ki o kōtoko katotoa. E te arama e te turu i tamato ano, e tatato ano no te po tamatora no tato. Secondly, ki to tato au teke taiti they came at the right time. I tamatara e tātou. E te toru, te roko nei aku te akametaki i Honourable Mark Brown for making our children legally protected under the law. E te me opanga, second last, te roko nei aku te akametaki the leader of the opposition, Tina Brown, she has been our legal advisor all along to guide us. And lastly, Miss Valen Wichman, she's far away. She made it all happen from start to night and for the rest of our te ora angata tātou ano. Nuri miaku ke tātou poroa me take maata. Puri tātou ki te tua. Tamato mitu e te ora, thank you. Thank you ko matora tomato ngako, tomato kopapa, tomato vairua. I te akara i tamato ano. Te o tare ni ta au oronga nā rātou. E kua kari mai rātou e ki aka parau mātou e rātou. Ki akono mātou, ko manu e mātou. E ko koe oronga mai te tae ano mane me te nā mātou. Te tuai pāruru e rātou, tuku e rātou ki raro i te pe o pāruru no o me te e pō apopo e tuato watu. Roto i te ingo mana o ta atu mai te Yesu Misia mātou e pure atu nei, aka oki te aka metaki anga e te pati atu, e te tauturu, nokona mai a koe. Tēnei e tuato watu. Āmene.
Everyone, that is our Miss Jewel competition. Thank you so much for coming along tonight. Please drive home safely. Much love to you all. Ka kite.